Hi students, today I'm going to show you how to access the KCTCS app from your phone to get to Blackboard and email. First, you'll start at your home screen where you have downloaded the KCTCS app. I have it here on my phone. Then, once you launch the KCTCS app, it looks like this. You can scroll down and see due dates and courses. A lot of information there. If you go to My Courses, you can click on Blackboard. Once that loads, you can click on the three bars on the top and then click on Courses. You may see a lot of classes. Make sure to go down to Spring 2020 and click on the class you'd like to see. When you click on the class, you'll be able to see directions for your class. For your email, you go back to the home screen and click on Email. You'll be able to see messages from all of your instructors. You can also stay up to date on different assignments and classes. If you click on the three bars up top, look for messages from other students. You can learn about updates about the coronavirus, if there's information like when will we return to classes on campus. Again, from your Blackboard page, you can see more information, student resources, MyPath, Starfish, if you're using any of those. If your teachers post anything, you can look for recent posts.